Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting on an iPhone 6, so the key fact, back tap isn't supported on this model. Once you know that, don't stop. Switch to Assistive Touch or the triple-click accessibility shortcut instead. First, update to the latest iOS your 6 supports, then open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. This saves you time and lets you mimic back tap behaviors. You'll set a custom action next. Make sure to keep the home button responsive before continuing. Now configure Assistive Touch to act like back tap. Turn Assistive Touch on, then tap Custom Actions to assign single, double, or long press to things you use most. Once done, pick a shortcut or system command. If you want automation, create that shortcut beforehand in the Shortcuts app. This gives you the same hands-on convenience as back tap. Make sure the floating button is placed where it's easy to reach but not obstructing your screen. Finish by wiring the triple-click home to your chosen behavior. Open Accessibility shortcut and select Assistive Touch or the specific action you configured. Now triple-click the home button to trigger it instantly. This provides a fast hardware gesture substitute for back tap. If it doesn't work, make sure the home button clicks properly, check shortcut permissions, and restart the phone. If problems persist, reassign the shortcut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.